A pretty awesome product out there for holding your SD, micro SD, and some other memory cards for when you're shooting videos, when you're taking pictures, and then you want to go ahead and get a fresh SD card or micro SD card for your phone or for your camera. I've got a great heavy-duty waterproof product to share with you today. Found this guy out there on the webs. It's actually pretty small. You look at your hand, it's pretty small, but it is a heavy duty product. So if you see here, each section holds everything that it can carry. So this one here holds 3 micro SD cards, 3 micro SD cards, 3 micro SD cards, 3 micro SD cards, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 micro SD cards. And then it holds 2, 4, 6, 8 SD cards. And then these little guys here, the, I don't know what, the UDMA, it holds 4 of those as well. So they all stack pretty awesome. Let's check it. All right, it comes all wrapped up and shrink wrapped. Let's snap our fingers and watch it get unwrapped. All right, so as you see, this guy is a pretty hefty, thick, heavy-duty case. It's got pretty good hinges on there. The only thing that's a little wobbly is these guys here, if you listen. But we open it up and it is pretty great. So inside, like I said, everything stacks all the way up. So you do your micro SD cards, your SD cards, and then the big one is those other guys I showed you. What I love is that it has the little popper here so that you can pop the cards out of your phone or your camera, which is nice. So it comes with that, and then you're able to easily put them in here. Now this feels almost like a silicone, and then as you see, it's got the watertight seal that goes all the way around. And I was watching the video, the demo video of this product, and the guy actually like puts all his cards in there, he throws it in a river, starts stepping on it, opens it up, and it's bone dry. So really, really great. You know, this gives you the ability to take a lot of pictures or a lot of video when you're on set or, you know, out traveling. You can make sure that your cards don't get lost or damaged, and super heavy duty. So I'm really excited about this. If you like to take pictures or videos and you need something to store it in, this is a pretty good option. There's an example of it rocking and rolling right there. Like I said, the SD cards go over the micro SD cards and then they all layer. So pretty awesome. Go ahead and smack that thumbs up button. Pow! Show us that you liked it.